What is up, my dudes?
Introduce me.
You have to say hi.
Introduce me.
This is my boyfriend. His name's Caesar.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna be doing the boyfriend rates my outfits challenge. And the outfit that he likes the most, I'm gonna wear today because we have not really a date, but
Yeah, it's a date.
it's a date. Okay.
We're going to the movies.
We're going to the movies, and we're still going to Target, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I think I'm gonna do. How many outfits should we do? 5?
I don't know. How many outfits do you have?
I have a lot, but
Yeah, 5 sounds good.
5
What do you
is
guys
fine.
think? Yeah, I think they said 5. 5.
okay. I'm gonna go get my first outfit. You have to close your eyes.
What do I do?
Close your eyes. I just said it like that. Perfect. Okay. I'm here.
You know, I never thought of that.
Shut up. Look at me.
What?
I'm here.
Oh, look what we have. We have this. That's Forever 21, right?
Yes.
I know
These
my
jeans are from Goodwill. They're a little bit flared at the bottom. You guys can't see it, but they're very low rise, which I'm not used to wearing. But I think this is kind of cool. 1 out of 10, go.
1 being the worst one, 10 being the best.
My camera's dying and he's taking his time.
I'll give it a 6.
A 6?
My heart's greater, guys.
Why?
I think the pants are too long.
I'm gonna be wearing heels.
You look like you're cold.
I'm not cold.
Like a 6 or a 7. Rough 6, rough 7. Like a 6 plus, you know?
6.5?
6 plus. There's no such thing.
6.5?
6 plus, a 6 plus.
I don't know what that means. Okay.
It's like an A plus, but 6 plus.
This outfit, if you guys couldn't see it.
It's like a B plus.
Okay, you can look.
I like this one a lot more.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
You look beautiful. This right now, I would say it's a 9 out of 10. Maybe a 10. A 9 plus. 9 plus.
Why?
That's what it is. What?
Why?
Because it's perfect. I mean, look at this skirt. Looks cute on you, showing off some legs. Your little tank top shirt looks nice. I like it. Let me see the back of it. Yeah. Yeah, like a 9 out of 10. I think you're just missing like a nice little sweater.
A sweater?
Yeah, I feel like you're cold and that's
Like a
making
crop
me
top?
cold.
I'm not cold. It's really hot in here.
She's cold. So a 9 out of 10. Fine. Did I open?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. Is that it?
What do you mean is that it?
What do you guys think?
It's a tight, it's not that tight actually. It's a dress, kind of like right above the knee. You guys can see.
Looks cool.
It looks cool, okay.
Looks cool. This would be like a, I guess a 6 out of 10. Yeah, 6 out of 10.
Why?
I don't know, I just don't like it. It kind of looks like a curtain, you know?
A curtain?
Like it looks like a curtain in my house, in my room, in my bedroom. Window curtain, that's what it is.
Okay, so you don't like
6
this.
out of 10.
You don't like me. You think I stink.
I think the last one you had was pretty nice. And you know how I know the one before that was bad? Because I can't even remember it.
Oh,
It's not that it was bad, it just wasn't
snap. Okay, I'm here. Why are you laughing?
I don't like this one. I think you're just showing off too much skin here. Or this doesn't match with this. Something's happening. I like the other one more. I want to change the... I'm changing the rating for the last one. I'm going to change it to a 7 out of 10. This one. Like, you look good. It's just... This looks weird. These color. What do you guys think? Yeah, same. See? They agree with
Okay,
me.
so what's the rating, bro?
5 out of 10.
A 5?
Alright.
Shit.
So we have... So the first one...
No, we don't have time for this.
6.5 out of...
My
okay.
camera's dying. He's like, oh, no.
You still look good though.
No, you said I'm ugly.
It's just the outfit.
Okay.
Oh. This one looks cool. Okay. I see you, Amanda. Okay. I see. I feel it. I like it.
You
I like
it?
how it looks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one an 8. 8 out of 10 for sure. What's wrong?
You haven't given me a 10
We gotta see. I might change it, but you know. But this
No,
was
no,
just
no,
an 8
it has to
I like
be-
how it makes your chest looks cool. You look cool. Legs are nice. Everything looks good. I like this one. 8 out of 10. I'll just give out 10s to anybody, babe. Come on.
Wow, I thought I would get a 10. I honestly thought I would get a 10 for this video. But
Next outfit. I wonder what you're wearing.
guess.
I can't guess, but I'm gonna open my eyes. Yay! See, you look so pretty in this. But not a 10. Nah, I wanna say something, guys. The skirt that you wore, the yellow one, that with the top, that's a 10. Yeah, I give that one a 10. Because this is a 9, and I think the other one that you wore is better, so therefore the other one is a 10. This is a 9. You look
Why?
comfortable.
I am. I'm so comfortable.
I can tell because this material.
It's
You look
so
nice, your
nice.
legs look nice. I'm a nice guy, so I'm gonna give this a 9. The skirt one is definitely a 10 though, so whatever that past Caesar said, ignore that. This the real Caesar right here.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we got 110.
We got the
A lot
first
of
one was a
sixes.
6.5, the second one was a 10, third one was a 7, fourth one was a 6 or 5. Whatever that Caesar said.
I don't know.
This one is a 9 though, yeah.
It's really cute. Everything I think I showed is from Forever 21, so if you want to pick it up, you can. Whoa, overexposed.
Someone's pretty,
So.
and it's not me. I know that.
Okay, so what's your favorite? Because then I get to wear it for the rest of the.
Well, it depends, because like if we're going to like a little,
Well, you know where we're going.
if we're going during the day shit, then this. If it's the movies, then I think the skirt would be nicer. But it's really up to you, whatever you're comfortable
No,
in.
you have to choose.
I like the skirt one. It looks nice. You just need like a little sweater and stuff, so you're not
Okay,
cold.
I'll put on a sweater.
Like a jean jacket maybe.
Okay, guys, so we were trying to end the video earlier and the camera died. So I'm gonna try to end it now. Caesar's over there playing Xbox. He ended up picking this outfit that I'm wearing. So that outfit, to be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on because I just feel like wearing sweatpants, you know, to Target. Not really in the mood to be wearing a little skirt right now. Yeah, my ratings were kind of not that good. Ooh, good lighting we got here. Ratings were not that good. I think he hates me, but it's fine. That's what he's doing at the moment. But we're still gonna do my outro. I'll see you guys very hold on, soon. Bye.
Bye.